smile. Loving tons of simple pleasures, only time would tell. Oh, this is not to say we are not the way we used to be. Yeah, 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 yeah. We were not so fond of reason, everyone could tell. Even times we'd start to stop.